Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love shopping on Zara and want to know how to quickly scan a QR within the app, then you have clicked on the right video. Today I'll show you how to scan a QR code on the Zara app in just a few simple steps. It's a great way to access special offers, product information, or even in-store promotions. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, open the Zara app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, go and install it. Once the app is opened, you'll land on the main homepage where you can browse collection and discover new arrivals. Now to scan a QR code, what you're gonna do is click on the search icon. It will lead you to another interface where you can see a QR scanner at the top right corner of your screen in between the location and photos icon. Click on the QR scanner icon. If it's your first time using the QR scanner, the app will ask for the permission to access your camera. Tap Allow so that app can use your camera to scan codes. Now hold your phone steady and aim it at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure that the QR code is within the scanning frame on your screen. The app will automatically recognize the QR code and within seconds, it will take you to the linked content, whether it's a product page, special discounts, and that's it. It is easy to scan QR codes on the Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.